So Alienware. Yo, seen one of these for a while. Oh, it looks cool on the side. Whoa. Very interesting case design. This is the Dell Alienware Aurora R10 gaming desktop. An AMD Ryzen 9 3900, 32 gigabytes of dual channel HyperX Fury DDR4 RAM. Okay, they really gave us all the numbers on that one. A 1 terabyte SSD, that's nice. AMD Radeon RX 5700 XT, 8 gigabyte Lunar Light. Oh, that's its color is Lunar Light. So let's spec the CPU real quick. I haven't seen this one for a little bit. I forget offhand where it lies on the list. Mid-range or mid-range. Yeah, actually, we're like upper mid-range. Wait, hold on. No. Yeah, we're upper mid-range here. That's good. Upper mid-range is good. 32 gigabytes. You're getting some additional memory here. That's good. The Radeon RX 5700 XT. So far, upper mid-range on CPU. And then say we're very mid-range GPU. Actually, considering the way GPUs are now, you're actually like upper mid-range GPU as well. Huh. So you're getting an upper mid-range system. This one will actually be able to play some more games at 1440p, 60 FPS. You could probably even get Warzone, Call of Duty Warzone in there on this with those specs. I wish they would put the benchmarks for games on all of these. That would be nice. I like this. I didn't think I was gonna like this. You know, normally Alienwares were notorious for being overpriced. I don't think that's the case here. And I think this is actually a rather good upper mid-range pickup, especially considering the market right now. They're giving you 1 terabyte SSD. That's great. Great amount of RAM. I mean, this is good. Honestly, I kind of recommend this one. Good job, Dell. Got a little bit of a video here. Let's see what. Looks like a jet engine, doesn't it? Like the whole front is like a huge air intake for the engine. Built for the future. I wonder what the airflow is like. I mean, with that big of an intake, I feel like it's like the whole thing is an engine with air going through it. Not bad for marketing. They're not like they're not marketing anything that it doesn't have, you know, they're not pretty accurate marketing. I actually, yeah, I'm surprised, but I'd say that this is a solid pick.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you haven't already done it, enter to win our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But the exact sound that you hear right now, the setups we all use on our podcast, Rode is giving that away for free to you as a part of the sweepstakes. It includes this microphone, the shock mount, the boom arm, and let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. It also includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which makes you sound this good live. This is not even an edited video. This is the way you would sound live. Pretty great. Also, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, help you manage that YouTube channel more effectively and grow faster on YouTube. Plus, Restream threw in a license as well, so you can stream to multiple platforms and grow even faster. We use all of this stuff every single day. Now you can get hooked up with this for free. Enter for your chance to win. Link in the description below. Entering costs $0. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So good luck, gaming creators. I'm glad we could hook you up with this package, and I hope you win. Go do it.